Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ives number 840737-42313AN. This is a TWP. This is a through-wire panel, a service kit for their 112 HD continuous hinge. This will allow you to add a electrical transfer capability to a 112 HD hinge. The 313AN is the finish, of course. Now, as of this date in October 2017, this is the old style connector with a ribbon cable. This would be replaced by a Molex connector, which is standard through the Allegiant line of electrified connections, Schlage, Von Duprin, Ives, etc. Glenn Johnson, probably some electrified zero material. But this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this discontinued 8-pin style ribbon connector, which they did tell me is simply called a TW8. Overall height, about 5 7/16. Okay, it's a 112 HD hinge, so we'll leave the dimensions at that. And why you would need this, of course, is to supply electricity, low voltage naturally down into the door. The electrical characteristics the vendor was unable to tell me without a transfer to a different department, but this will power anything that's going to be Allegiant based in terms of an electrified lock set or perhaps an exit device or an electric strike. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ives products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Screws are included in a complimentary finish. Those will be tech screws or self-drilling screws. Okay. Full product catalog is there. The name Ives is quite synonymous with all things trim and auxiliary related. And they do, of course, get into not only continuous geared hinges and electrical options for those, but traditional knuckle style hinges, as well as custom door pulls. Also, a line to consider from Ives is their pivots. They have a really nice line of pivots that if you hang doors on offset or center hung pivots, you might want to take a look at the Ives offering, because you're going to get the same weight capacity that you're probably accustomed to, but you're going to do so generally less expensively, is what I have found, and their installation instructions are very approachable, very well written, is the bottom line. Now, below this also is a link to the installation instructions, and it's a 4-page document. However, only the last page really relates to the TWP modification, where you're basically going to, take the existing hinge, cut it, and make it appropriate, inserting enough space between the upper and lower portion, centered around where you've prepped the door and, of course, the frame to receive the ribbon cable. The only noticeable item on the installation instructions worth mentioning is to leave a small amount of margin between the top and bottom leaves and the TWP kit. But outside of that, it's simple and straightforward. Any questions on the Ives 840737-42313AN 112 TWP electric transfer panel service kit, or any other Ives product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.